Do you want to use secure electronic record keeping? The IQ21 CFR Part 11 software module can help. Whether you're conducting vaccine research or developing new treatments, the IQ21 CFR Part 11 software module improves productivity. The module enables extensive electronic record keeping and security with seamless, integrated global event tracking, electronic signatures, and more. Setting up a system that is compliant with 21 CFR Part 11 record keeping requires system security that allows full access control, data integrity systems that prevent tampering, a comprehensive tracking system, security prevent any changes to audit files. The IQ21 CFR Part 11 software module seamlessly integrates into your efficient, pre-existing IQ workflows without the need for modifications. Maintain the speed to actionable results that you expect from IQ. Go beyond the basic requirements of tracing R&D iterations. Create specific user controls for every aspect from setup to running the instrument. Collect electronic signatures. The IQ21 CFR Part 11 software module enhances productivity with the following capabilities. Share validated experiments. Requires standard operating procedures. Standardize comments across the organization. Filter and search audit logs. Export customized audit reports, and more. Whether you're in development, quality control, or manufacturing, record keeping just got easier with the IQ21 CFR Part 11 software module. Visit our website at www.sartorius.com or contact your sales representative to learn more.